guys, good morning. I think good afternoon. It is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
There's Michael. And the puppies. Come here, Tete. There's Teddy and there's, come here, Ginger. And Ginger. Say hi to the camera.
Ginger girl,
Teddy
boy, Teddy boy.
And today I want to make for you guys a sweet and sour soup. Now, to make a sweet and sour soup, you need to put a pot.
Hot and sour soup.
Hot and sour soup, sorry. Hot and sour soup. You need to put a pot of water.
What's that?
This is 8 ounces of water.
Okay, check.
And then what I put was I put a whole thing of chicken broth in there.
Yes.
And 2 tablespoons. This is like chicken stock of consommé.
It's concentrated.
Of chicken concentrated powder. And I put 1.5 tablespoons in there.
That's right.
And then what you're gonna do is,
Yes.
I bought mushrooms.
All right.
And I took half of the mushrooms. I took this out,
Yes.
this part.
Yes.
And then the flesh, which is this, wait.
How's
I
that
put
taste?
it there. And then I took
Delicious?
some bok choy. This is bok choy.
Ooh, looks
the
like
bok
lettuce.
choy, you don't eat the leaf. You eat the thing in the bottom.
It's a darker green color.
Yeah, this is what you eat. You cut it in pieces
Yes.
and you put it in that water
That's right.
that is boiling.
Yeah.
Then you also put a 1/4 cup of rice vinegar
Ooh.
and a 1/4 cup of soy sauce.
All right.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on a second. And then you also put 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoonful. Okay, does it say 1 teaspoonful this one, Mike? Check for me.
1 teaspoon. Yep.
Okay, so you put 2 teaspoons of ginger.
Okay.
On it.
Uno.
2 teaspoons.
Dos.
And 1 teaspoon of chili sauce.
All right.
Let's open it.
It's not open. It's not open. Hold on a second, folks.
Hold on, guys. Hold on. I got it.
All right. She got it.
Okay, now.
Wow, that smells spicy.
Huh?
It smells spicy.
It's very spicy, so we're just gonna put 1 tablespoon
That's
of chili
it.
sauce.
Not
okay?
more,
and I'm
not
gonna
less.
Go like this.
Mix it up, mix it up.
And mix it up in there. And let that boil.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's close this.
That's right.
So that's that. And then also, as that is boiling, okay,
Yes.
right here, I put 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And what else did I put here?
Soy sauce.
No, and 1 tablespoon of some more chicken stock, consommé, you know.
Oh,
But I
okay.
put it in here, powder and cornstarch, because what this is gonna do is make this
Bring it to life.
exactly. No, it's gonna thicken it up. Now, before we put it in there to thicken it up, we're gonna put this is tofu. I'll show you. I have the
What's
thing. I
tofu?
got tofu. It's kind of like
A soft protein.
it's a soft protein, and it's made. It's like a
It's
a
vegan,
vegetable.
gluten-free.
Exactly, vegan. And this is some green onions. You can see the stamps here.
That's right.
But I took the hard part and I put it in there. So we're gonna
Put
put
it
that
in,
tofu
put
in there.
it in.
And that,
Wow.
like that, and you throw it in there.
Look at that, guys.
And then after you throw that in there, excuse me,
Oh, yeah.
you're gonna put 1 teaspoon of sesame oil.
All right.
With that same spoon that we use for the same spoon that we use for the ginger,
Yes.
okay, and for the sriracha.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna go here. This is sesame oil,
That's right.
and we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of sesame oil.
That's right.
Throw it in there like that. And then we're also gonna put, you see how fast, Michael? This is done like so fast you don't even wanna know. And then this is cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of consommé. And again, let me clarify that. This is a 1 teaspoon of sesame oil that I put. And this is chili sauce. I call it something else a couple of minutes ago. Okay?
It is chili sauce.
I know. And then I'm gonna put this in here,
Yes.
which is the cornstarch,
Yes.
and throw it in there.
Yes.
And we're gonna let
Mix
that
it
already
up,
smells.
mix it
Smell it, Michael.
up.
Smell it. Let's see how it smells already.
Delicious.
And then, okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna let it boil, and then look how pretty that is, Michael. Wow. I'm good. Look at that. You like that, Mike?
Comment down below if this looks good already.
And then, exactly. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take 2 eggs. Because you put eggs in here too, guys.
Really?
Yeah, of course. Sweet and sour soup, it has eggs. Didn't you know that? What do you think that yellow thing and the white thing and hot and sour soup?
I never knew that.
Yes, that you put in there. So what we're going to do, I'm going to crack these eggs and put them in here in a bowl, and we're going to whisk them. Oh, that's Michael making pizza too there.
That's right.
You know? Slapping some pizza in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to whisk these two.
That's right.
With that same thing that I whisked the other stuff.
Yes.
And this is what I'm going to do.
Whisk it up, whisk it up.
And then we're going to put it in like this. Okay?
Oh yeah.
That. There you go. You see how it's firming on the top?
Yes.
Be careful, Mike. I don't want you to burn or anything
I
like
won't.
that.
I'm an expert.
See?
Don't try this at home if you're not an expert.
That looks beautiful. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yep.
Looks just
Let me
like
take all this
the
up.
Asian restaurant.
Of course.
Very delicious.
Yeah, because it is what it is.
I love Asian cuisine.
And then you want to put a little bit of salt and pepper.
That's right.
So I'm going to take the pepper and I'm going to go like this on the top. Put some pepper. And then I'm going to put a little bit of salt. And if you want it more spicy, we can always put a little bit more of chili sauce. Okay, Mike?
All right.
What do you think about that? See?
As soon as you start serving bowls, if it's under spicy, you can always add more
You can
sriracha
always
or
put-
chili sauce.
Yeah, chili sauce.
That's right.
Wow, that's really good. That's really good. So this is almost done. So we're just gonna give it, I'm gonna put a little bit of rice vinegar I'm gonna throw in there. Just like this, a little tiny more. Not that much than what I put. Okay guys, sorry about that. Let me put all that away. These are my mushrooms, this is garbage. You know how that goes. You pick up and put up. So anyways, this is a very simple dish that you guys can learn how to master because it doesn't take a scientist to make this. It's something very easy. You put everything together, put your water, and then you throw the vegetables in, you throw everything in. Voila, look at that. How that looks, Mike.
Delicious.
Do you want a little bit darker? That's the thing. It's sticking it out.
Yeah, give it
because-
about 5-10 minutes.
No, not 5-10 minutes. No, this is almost coming out, bud.
Oh.
So I'm just gonna put a little bit more of soy sauce to make it darker. Okay, so we're gonna be taking this off and serving it right now. Because this is all it takes.
Oh
See?
yeah.
That's how quick you make that. And then this other green onions that we have here, guys, this is what we're gonna do. I should have taken my cutting knife, but I didn't. You can turn that off for me. Go ahead, turn the soup off. And we're gonna throw some green onions on the top. This is ready to serve. So the first person that I'm gonna serve this to is my husband. He gave me a bowl. We're gonna put it in here. And this is gonna be your hot and sour soup. You know? That you can make in 2 seconds. And you can feed your family. Then later I'm gonna make I don't know, some General Toast chicken, Mike. What do you think?
Yeah.
Michael says yes, Mom. See? And we're gonna serve that. See? That's how it's served.
Serve it up, serve it up.
See? Like that. And there you go. You have your hot and sour soup. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys know. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us. And look us up on Instagram and Twitter. Like us on Facebook. And then in all the other
Google Plus, Pinterest, Tumblr.
Pinterest, Tumblr.
Everywhere.
I mean everywhere. We're everywhere. And with
Everywhere,
that,
everywhere.
I want you guys to know that this is something very, very good that I just
Smells
made.
delicious.
I know it does.
I'm gonna eat
And
this
I'm just gonna have a little
and the
sip, a
pizza in
little-
the oven.
Delicious. With that, I'm gonna let you guys go. And don't drink and drive. And let's be good. Let's try to get along. And thanks for watching. And I hope you enjoyed this hot and sour soup that I just made for my family. And all you guys can enjoy it too. It cost me almost no money, less than $10. And I have soup here for my husband, for my son Michael, for my other son James, and for myself. So with that, thanks for watching. And I'll see you another day for another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. Don't go away too far.